By creating a campaign, you can personalize and automate the process of sending calendar events to a large number of attendees. In this video, I'll show you how to create, configure, and manage campaigns. I will also show how you can upload the attendees and send personalized calendar invites in BulkCalendar. To start, click the Create Campaign button. This opens a form where you can set up your campaign. Enter a name for your campaign in the Campaign Name field. This is for your reference only, so feel free to choose a name that helps you easily identify the campaign. In the Calendar Title field, enter the event name. This is what your attendees will see as the title of their calendar event. Here in the Calendar Description field, you can add information you want to display in the attendee's calendar. The default template includes dynamic parameters like venue, start at, and end at. These placeholders will automatically be replaced with actual event details. You can also add other dynamic parameters listed on the right side of this form to further personalize the invite for each attendee. Select the time zone. By default, it will show the same time zone as you have specified in your profile. Select the event start and end date as you want by clicking on the On field like this, and choose the event time accordingly. For testing purposes, you can use the free connection provided by BulkCalendar to try out the calendar invite feature. This option allows you to send up to 10 calendar invites. When you're ready to send actual invites to a larger group, it's important to set up your email configuration. This ensures the smooth delivery of a high volume of calendar invites. You can configure this by going to Settings Email Configuration and selecting the email service you prefer. You can even use your Gmail SMTP connection for sending invites. In the Organizer Name and Organizer Email fields, enter the details you want your attendees to see in their calendar invites. If your event is in person and attendees will gather physically, select Offline as the event type. If you're hosting an online meeting, webinar, or any virtual gathering, choose Online. For offline events, you can provide the venue details in the Event Location field. For online events, you will need to enter the joining link. In the Email Subject field, specify the subject you want attendees to see when they receive their calendar invite. You can also use dynamic parameters to personalize the subject line. In the Email Body field, include important details about the event. We've provided a basic template with dynamic variables, which you can customize to personalize the message for your attendees. After filling in all the required information, click the Preview button. This will show you how your campaign details and dynamic parameters, like the attendee's name or event location, will appear in the final invite. If you need to make changes, click the Edit button. Otherwise, click Proceed to continue. You can send a test invite on this screen by clicking the Send Test Calendar Invite button. Just input the actual details, and it will send the test email and calendar invite to the specified email. This allows you to see exactly how the invite will appear. Based on the result, you can decide whether to make adjustments to your campaign or move forward. Once you're satisfied with your campaign details, click the Proceed button. In Step 2, you can add your attendees either by uploading a CSV file or by entering them manually one by one. To download a sample CSV file, click on the Download Sample File link, which will give you the format needed for attendee data. Simply add your attendee information into the sample file and upload it. You can upload up to 100,000 contacts in one go. Once the CSV is uploaded, the attendee details will instantly appear in the table below. When you're ready to send the invites, click on the Send Calendar Invites button. A pop-up will show invite-related information. And once you click Send, personalized calendar invites will be delivered to all your attendees.